In this video, we'll talk about how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. Method 1. Permanently disable via registry. Click in Search, type Regedit. Select Open. Click on Yes. You have to be in this location. I have mentioned the path location in the description. From there you can copy-paste in here. Here, you have to create the key structure if not present. Right-click and take your cursor on New. Select DWORD 32-bit value and name it Disable Anti-Spyware. Now double-click to open it and set value to 1 and press OK. Close the Registry Editor. Click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 2. Disable via PowerShell. Click in Search, type PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy-paste this command in here from the description and press Enter. This disables real-time protection temporarily until your PC reboot. So that's how you can turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. See you in the next video.